How's everyone doing this morning? I hope you guys had an amazing night. We have NFP coming up in about 30 minutes. Let's see here. I hope everyone had an amazing amazing night. Let's see you. Let me know if you guys can see my screen. Let me know in the chat if you guys can see my screen. As you guys are hopping on, give this live stream a thumbs up. Show me some love, and let's smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm real quick. Yeah, so my main focus this morning is actually gonna be let's see here. It's gonna be GBP USD. See gold. I'm gonna do some quick markups on gold as well, and possibly GBP JPY. GBP JPY has just been ranging here, so we're gonna be taking a look at that, and we're also gonna be just gold, GBP USD, and possibly GBP JPY. So those are the three pairs I'm actually going to be focusing on today for NFP. Let me see, who do we have on here? Hi Tony, how you doing? Juan, how you doing? Subham, how you doing? I'm good, Tony. Thanks for asking. Just give me a second here, guys. Hey Shuman, how you doing? I'm gonna change my background real quick here. Gonna make it dark. Okay, this is better. All right. something else I need to do. Good morning, Terrence. Good morning, Tony. Yeah, let's see. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, how you doing, man? Who do we have? I hope you guys had a good night. So, so what I like to do, if I'm going to be scalping on the 15-minute time frame, so I'm going to go ahead to the 30-minute time frame here and just do some markups here real quick on gold. So we have this high right here that price just created, and we have this low here, and we have this low here as well. Let me know where you guys are watching me from, guys. Let me know where you guys are watching me from. You're welcome, Schumann. Let's see here. Let's see. Currently, gold actually looks like it's gonna drop, but we just gotta wait for the NFP news here. So we'll see what happens afterwards. So we'll see how that goes. All right. Can you guys see my chart? Let me know in the comments if you guys can see my chart. Oh, Terrence, you're from Memphis, Tennessee. Oh wow, you're actually close to me. Maybe a few hours away. I'm not sure, but I know Memphis, Tennessee is closer to me. So we have NFP in the next 20 minutes. Let me take a look at JPY, because they have they have employment change and unemployment change news today as well at the same time. That's about in 20 minutes. Let's take a look here. So if you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm just focusing on marking up my highs and my lows. That's what I'm focusing on here. And since we're gonna be getting in, we're probably gonna get in on the 15-minute time frame or on the 5-minute time frame. So I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame right now to focus on my highs and my lows. That's what I'm doing right now, in case you guys are wondering. So my main focus is just to focus on the most recent highs and the most recent lows. And that's what I'm doing at the moment. If this is your first time here as well, don't forget to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button as well. So I'm using a different streaming software. I think I started using it on the last live stream that I did, but I'm not really too familiar with it at the moment. So there's something I want to test right now. So I'm gonna ask you guys if you guys can hear my different audio in the background. Let me know, guys. No, Terrence, I'm in Houston. I'm in Houston, Texas. Let's see here. Hear my different audio in the background. Let me know, guys. No, Terrence, I'm in Houston. Houston, Texas. So can you guys hear my audio playing in the background? A different audio playing in the background. Let me know, guys. Okay, all right. Thank you, Schumann. Thank you, man. So I'm just gonna change that real quick. All right, cool, Terrence. All right, give me a minute, guys. I need to go look for my headphones because I don't really use it a lot, so I just like maybe I just put it somewhere, but I think I know where it is. So we got 15 more minutes to NFP here, so we'll see. Our entries is probably going to be impulse entries, and the goal here is actually not to make a lot of pips. Sometimes you might get in on a trade during NFP, and it's just going to stay on that trend for the rest of the day. And sometimes you could get in and get you like 10 20 pips, maybe even 30 pips, maybe even 50 pips, depending on the pair you're trading. And then all of a sudden you just see price reversing, and then changing its direction. So the goal here is just going to be to get whatever the market gives us. So the target here is to get at least 10 to 20 pips, and then we're out. So that's what we're gonna be doing here this morning. I'm not looking to get me anything more than 20 pips. I'm not looking to do that. 20 pips is really enough for me, even 10 pips, because I have a big account. Even if you get you 10 pips and you still have a small account, and let's say you have $100 account, and your lot size was 0.10, which is $1 per pip, and your pip is 10 pips, so at least you still made $10. You didn't lose that trade. You still made you some money, because in this game it's all about compounding. Nobody cares about you making 50 pips or 100 pips every single time you trade. Nobody cares about that. What we care about is, are you profitable consistently? Shit, even if you're just making 5 pips, because at the end of the day it's all about compounding. That's why when we start that challenge, our target goal is going to be between 50 to 20 pips. And what we're trying to do during the challenge is, every single week we're going to be trying to make sure we double our account every week, not daily, every week. That's why this is going to be a 14-week challenge. And so I have this spreadsheet here that I've decided to start working on. This spreadsheet is going to include the lot size for the whole entire 14-week, the pip that we're going to be targeting every single day, because we're only going to be trading one trade every single day for 14 weeks for the challenge. So it's going to be 20 pips. It's going to have the total and everything for the entire duration. And everyone in the VIP is going to get access to this, so that when I send these signals, I won't have to include the pips, the lot size that you guys need. I won't have to do that. This is just going to make the job easier for me. Yeah, do me a favor, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. Let's spam this live for the YouTube algorithm. So let me go get my headphones, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Let me know if you guys can still hear me. Let me see here. I need to do. Yes, Shaman. I'm definitely going to let you guys know. Let me see. All right, cool, guys. What do you guys think of the music playing in the background? Do you guys like it? Uh, I don't need these headphones. Okay, cool. I'm still looking for ways to add like different music playing in the background instead of just a single one. Um, I'm sure by the time we have another live stream, I would have figured it out. And starting from next year, I'm planning to start at least live trading live on YouTube, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. Okay, we have 4 minutes here. I know. Take a look at GBP JPY. It just looks really nasty right now. So if we're gonna take any buys at all here in GBP JPY, it's gonna be above 157.19, and sells is gonna be below 150.138. For GBP JPY, that's what I'm looking at. It's just been stuck in consolidation. It's just ranging between the highs and the lows here, so we'll see what happens. Ah, really, Tony? It makes you want to rap. That's funny. So let's take a look at gold here. Okay, looks like we might see gold dropping. So we have like 38 pip range here. So we'll see what happens. Damn, gold is not playing. we'll see. We'll see if it's gonna break this previous low here. So that's what we anticipating, and we'll just have about a half stop loss right there, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So we'll see. Just looking for one more potential zone here on a 4-hour time frame. Oh, let me go back to the 15-minute time frame. Oh man, it went up. Damn, I missed it. Shit. Excuse my language, guys. Okay. Let's see what happens, guys. I'll tell you guys. Oh. I'll tell you guys when to get in. Okay. Are you in? Who is in? Who is in? Get in, get in. Don't waste time. Who got in? I'm in on gold for buys. This is what impulse entries look like. Let's see, what make gold shoot up like this? Let me see. I would have. Oh, okay. I got in on impulse entry on a buy. Yeah, you're right though. I was expecting it to actually drop, not go up like this. Did any of you got in on the buys? So GBP USD shot up as well. But I'm not too confident in this GBP USD right now because it's not even close to the previous high. So I'm not, even the high we have right here to the left hand side over here, it just rejected it. So we'll just wait for this to close before we get in on GBP USD. Let me go back to gold. Did anybody get in on gold? Let me see. I tried to, but man, I just freaking couldn't. Let me see, did I get it? My broker just wouldn't take my freaking order. I'm gonna do a sell order here. Did anybody get in on these buys? I'm actually looking for it to drop, because when I saw this here, even the unemployment rate stayed in the green. It was lower than the previous I mean, the forecast was higher than what the actual forecast, so it should be dropping, but instead we had that huge spike up. So we'll see. Yeah, all the you can see, looking at JPY here, just broke the previous high. So it was actually, this candle was actually bearish. That's why you see this bottom, this long bottom wick here, and then it just turned bullish as soon as the NFP news came in. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait. This NFP wick today is kind of tricky. I don't like this candle here on JPY. Yeah, this GBP USD candle, I like this candle better because it just has this tiny wick at the bottom. So even though this candle here on JPY looks like a rejection candle wick here, but you can tell this candle was bearish before it turned bullish, because look at where the body is. The body is just right here. So we'll see if JPY is going to continue going up after this candle close. GBP USD is still rejecting this previous high here. I don't know what happened with my book. I just couldn't get in for whatever reason, but this was Okay. If we have volatility after this NFP news, that means we might still be able to make some money. Yeah, can you guys see my pip tool though? Can you guys see my pip tool? Let's see what happens after this candle closes. This would have been a better entry right here. If we had caught this move from down here, this would have been a better entry right here, but I didn't look at the time. I was busy trying to mark up my chart. It was too late. Yeah, GBP JPY ain't doing nothing. And if I'm gonna get in on GBP USD, which I'm hoping we can, we're not gonna get in until after 9 a.m. That's my own opinion, because we have another high impact news coming up at 9. So you're just gonna have to wait until 9 a.m. Then we can see what's gonna happen with GBP USD. Yeah, I'm still looking for gold to actually drop. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, we could see gold. We could see gold dropping, because this is DXY. So most of the time when the dollar drops, we're gonna see gold going up, and when the dollar is strong, most of the time we're gonna see gold falling. So if the dollar keeps falling after this candle closes in 3 minutes, then we could see gold going up. So we'll see what happens between gold and the dollar as well. So we'll see what happens. Oh, you got in on gold? Oh. How many pips did you lose? Okay, you know what? Okay. I'm gonna switch this, because Oh, mine said he couldn't see the stop loss at all. So I think I know why, because I've switched my chart to a dark theme. So I'm gonna switch this. Let's see. No, that's two. Switch this to. Is this better for you, man? So can you see the entry and the stop now? Oh, all right, so gold is absolutely not going up. It doesn't look like it. The news is over now. So remember earlier, this was exactly what I was talking about. Sometimes during the NFP, when we have a spike like this, sometimes it could just continue going up or continue dropping. And in this case, that's definitely not what's that's, you can see that didn't happen, obviously. And one of the reasons is because we definitely, we at the end of the year right now, and trading at this time, have been saying it a lot lately. Yes, I know. It's because it's true. Trading at the end of the year is different. It's just different. JPY looks like it wants to keep going up. See, GBP USD did the total opposite, rejected this previous high. If you look to the left hand side here, rejected this previous high. This week was a rejection right there. So maybe GBP USD is gonna go back to its original trend, which was a downtrend. So we'll see what happens. But we have this high impact news at 9 a.m. Yeah, this spike just took a lot of traders out the market. But if gold can break below 1766, then we could just sell to this next zone here, and I believe that should give us possibly about 40 pips, because I'm really expecting it to drop. That's what I'm looking for. And man, when it's time to get in, just look to the right hand side. These numbers here, the blue is the take profit, and the red is the SL stop loss. So that's what you should just focus on. I thought I changed this already. Uh, okay, that's much better. Okay, cool. You can see it. That's good. This week has really been crazy, especially for the USD pairs, because there was just a lot of high impact news this week during New York session. So most of the time it affects the USD pairs. You got today high impact news. So these red folders are your high impact news. When you get to Forex Factory, I prefer using Forex Factory for my fundamentals. And Thursday, not really. We didn't have it. A lot of high impact news on Thursday. Then on Wednesday, we had a lot. All these news events here, and we had high impact news during New York session, which was on Wednesday. Tuesday, the same thing. Monday wasn't bad, so it was just a lot of news this week. Let's see going into next week. Okay, Monday not bad, just the Australian dollar. Oh, that's not until 9:30 p.m. my time zone. Tuesday, okay, looking good. Wednesday, still looking good. Okay, next week should be a good week. Not a lot of fundamentals, not a lot of stuff happening next week. So we'll see. Okay, yeah. So when we have the right setup, let me see here. Schumann says, "Can you please read the TP and LCL for me? It's hard for me to read it." Okay, I'll do that. Once we have the right setup and we actually get in a trade, then I'll read the TP and LCL to you guys. We see cat JPY going up here. Okay, Euro JPY. Let's see if we're gonna have a break above this high at 128.22. It's looking like we will, so we'll see. So, I'll just, if we're gonna get in any trade, I'll just let you guys know. And I'll just tell you guys what the stop loss and take profit is. So we might see some entries here. Looking at this JPY pairs. Just marking up the highs, the most recent highs and lows. Any pip range is this? 15 pips, not bad. Oh, there we go. Look, now my wife looks like he wants to move. I'm married to GBP JPY, guys, if you guys don't know. What do you mean? What are you asking, Tony? I'm ready for what? I don't understand. Yeah, I'm still hoping to see a sell on gold right now. There's nothing to get into here. Nothing. This is a no trade range for me. So no. Yeah, no trade range. I'm just taking a look at this JPY pairs because it looks like we'll see um, some movement here. This is NZD JPY. So another pairs that I love to trade. If you guys, for those of you that are in my Discord group, you know that I love to trade JPY pairs as well. I just like the way they move. Well, let's see here. Do we have? Yes, the entry is going to be on the 15-minute time frame for GBP JPY. If whatever pair we get into is going to be on the 15-minute time frame. JPY has rejected at this resistance. Okay. I like what I'm seeing here with currently with USD JPY here. Come on, break this previous high. Break it, break it, break it. Target this candle wick here. Oh, for Christmas, yes, yes, absolutely, Tony. Yes, I am, Tony. All right, come on, USD JPY. Just gotta wait for this candle to break and close above this previous high. That JPY is really moving. Okay, Euro JPY just broke, so I'm going to tell you guys when to get in. So this is Euro JPY. Can you guys hear me? Oh, no, Tony. I don't have a Lamborghini. I do not drive a Lambo. Alright guys, getting on Euro JPY. This is Euro JPY. Hold on guys, before you do, just need to verify something real quick. Okay. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do with Euro JPY. When we have a bullish candle crossing above this, hold on, let me do this. Crossing above this wick here, then we can get in for a buy. That means we're gonna have to wait for this candle to close. So let me delete all this. So let's wait for this candle to close. I just had to take a look at the lower time frame and the higher time frame real quick. So this is the 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute time frame, probably looking at a retest. Price is trying to retest this zone, and then we should see a bullish continuation here. USD JPY just broke the previous high here, and this thing is just spiking. Okay, this is a better zone right here. I'm more interested in this zone. Alright, so we're looking at USD JPY, Euro JPY, and possibly GBP JPY as well. Okay, GBP USD is now dropping. Okay, this USD JPY candle closes in 4 minutes. And I'll tell you guys when to get in. So we'll see what happens when this candle closes. We're just gonna have one take profit, that's it. So closes in 3 minutes. And this is going to be about a 20 pip range or something like that. Yes, every single pair that we're gonna trade is gonna be on the 15-minute time frame, Schumann. Hey, hey Tony, you asked me if I drive a Lamborghini. You can buy me one. Buy me one, Tony. You already, man, are you already on Euro JPY? Because I didn't get in. I'm not in Euro JPY. Yeah, I'm not in Euro JPY. I was waiting for this bearish candle to close and see what the next candle is gonna do. So right now we're looking at USD JPY now. So we need this bearish candle right now. We need it to turn bullish, and we can get in. So right now I'm just going back and forth between USD JPY and Euro JPY, just to see. And I need kind of like an engulfing candle, engulfing bullish candle here for me to get in on this buy here. Yeah, on the 5-minute time frame, it looks like price is still trying to retest this previous high. So we just gotta wait. That's Tony, you're a comedian, huh? Where are you from, Tony? Where are you from? Looks like Tony is a comedian, guys. So when I see bullish candles like this one that broke this previous high with no wick at the bottom at all, I don't really like them. It kind of scares me a little bit. So that's why I'm really waiting to really see a nice bullish candle before I get in on these trades. Because today is the NFP day, and this week has just been crazy, and also we are at the end of the year. Yeah, nothing is going on. Man. I wish we got in on this card JPY. Well, it is what it is. We missed this one. We missed this card JPY trade. Oh, okay. Now, Euro JPY is giving me what I want. All right. Now I'm getting in on Euro JPY, guys. I'm in on Euro JPY. Okay. So for this Euro JPY trade, I don't know, can you guys see the numbers to the right? If you can see the numbers to the right, so the blue highlighted number, those are the take profit, and the red highlighted number, those are the that's the stop loss. So for the stop loss is actually so that's the stop loss right there, guys. You guys should be able to see it. So for the first take profit, we're going to target this zone here for about 20 pips. That's 128,519. You can have one take profit if you want. And for this, we're just gonna target this zone here, 128,563. And I'm in blue. If you have a small account, I recommend only use one take profit. Oh, okay. You know what? Let me just. I'll send it. I'll send it to the comments. So before I send it, so if you have a small account, I recommend just using one take profit. And monitor, make sure you're looking at it, and once you get to like 10-15 pips, just get out. And if you want to stay in it, then you can just stay in it if you want to. So I'm gonna send the Euro JPY stop loss and TP here. Give me a second, guys. I need some coffee. My wife just made me some coffee, guys. Oh, shit, it's hot. It's hot. So, let me send that information to you guys. Damn. Okay, looks like I have to sign in here. You know what, let me just do it from my phone. Okay, before I do, get in on the USD JPY if you have. The account to do so. Alright, I'm in on USD JPY. I'll send everything to you guys, don't worry. This is USD JPY. I just sent the TP and SL for Euro JPY. So for me, I have multiple take profits, but I know majority of you have a small account, so that's why I gave you guys the first take profit. But mind you, You don't have to wait until your take profit get hit. Like I said, if you get 10 pips, then just call it a day and just close the trade manually. And if you decide to wait for it to get to your TP, then you can do that as well. Yes, Schumann. I got in for a buy. This is GBP USD. Yeah, I can see that, Schumann. But I still believe it's a buy. I still believe it's a buy. One more trade possibly, and I'm gonna call it a day. Then try and spend time with my family. Oh, thank you, Michelle. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Do me a favor, guys. Smash that like button for me. Smash that like button. For GBP USD, a friend of mine got in a sell during London session, right over here, and during NFP news, I'm pretty sure it got stopped out. This candle just took a lot of people out. This spike during NFP news just took a lot of sellers out the market. And what did he do right after that? Now came back down to continue its original trend, which was a downtrend. What do we have here? Change. Let's see here. Let me change this text. That's better. Okay, your JPY is not looking good. Wow, now it created another high here. Right. NZD JPY. Okay. The fact that AUD JPY and NZD JPY is actually dropping, that's giving me a concern for Euro JPY and USD JPY, and we're actually in both trades. Yeah, that's it's actually giving me some concerns here. Because most of the time, AUD JPY, NZD JPY, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, CAD JPY, they all actually, most of the time, they move in the same direction. If you guys know what I mean. Most of the time, they move in the same direction. So the fact that AUD JPY and NZD JPY is dropping, I'm concerned about the Euro JPY and USD JPY buy trade that we took. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, it's NFP, and also I would really like to think so Euro JPY actually closed now below this previous high right now at the moment, even though we have this low right over here. So if it closes, even though we have our stop loss here, and if it closes below this low here, that means the trend has changed. If it breaks this low, that means the trend has changed. But we're still in it though. I really believe that this was definitely going to be a winner. But hey, there's trading for you. You win some, you lose some. It is what it is. When I lose, I don't worry about losses anymore. Even though nobody likes to lose, you always want to win all the time, but it's just impossible. In this industry, that's completely impossible. So always be grateful for your wins and be grateful for your losses too. All right, GBP USD broke this low. Do you guys want to take one more trade or no? As for me, I'm taking this sell. I'm taking this GBP USD sell, and that's it for me for today. Whatever. Let's have my stop loss right there. Are you saying you took the GBP USD sell, Schumann? All right, we got stopped out of Euro JPY, 20 pips. So guys, get out. If you took USD JPY, get out. Yeah, get out of USD JPY as well, guys. I'm getting out. Okay, we took 2 losses. Currently have 1 in profit on my hand. If you took GBP USD, but no, get out, Schumann. Get out. Yeah. Remember what I told you guys earlier, that the fact that NZD-JPY and AUD-JPY changed their direction. Now, even though looking here at NZD-JPY, we have this strong support zone. Just look at these rejections here on NZD-JPY. Bam, rejection, rejection, rejection. Now we don't know if this is gonna hold, if this support zone is gonna hold. If it breaks, then we're definitely coming down. If it breaks this zone here, we're definitely coming down. So, but it could reject as well. It could reject again. But if it breaks, we're definitely coming down. That's for NZD-JPY. I think AUD-JPY. Oh shoot. Okay, AUD-JPY just broke it. Yes, human. I'm in GBP USD. AUD-JPY just broke. Now, is it gonna close bearish or is it gonna close bullish? And that's in about 6 minutes. But there's this zone here. It could reject this zone over here, or it could break it. So we'll see. Let me go here to the 1 hour time frame and see if that's actually a zone that I need to target. Yeah, it is a zone. Let's see here. Sure, then it's gonna spike through down here. Give me a minute, Schumann. Just give me a minute. Man, I really love this setup on NZD-JPY. But when it comes to trading, nothing is guaranteed. This is a strong zone. This is a very strong support zone here. Or you can call it a strong demand zone. So we'll see if it's gonna break. GBP JPY is dropping also. This candle this week just rejected this zone here. So basically it's still ranging here. So because of what's going on with all the other JPY pairs, so this is making me feel like this could be a fake out. So we'll see what happens. And at the same time, there are a lot of confirmations here that also makes me feel like should definitely be a sell, like a downtrend continuation. Because even if we go to all the higher time frames, you can see that we absolutely in a downtrend. So 30 minutes downtrend, 1 hour downtrend, 2 hours downtrend, 4 hours downtrend, daily downtrend. So it's making me, because everything corresponds with the higher time frame, looking at actually all the JPY pairs. I'm sending the SL and TP for GBP USD, guys. I believe for GBP USD, the first take profit, I think it was like 20 pips. So you don't have to wait until it gets to 20 pips before you get out. And you can decide to wait if you want to. If you took GBP USD, we currently in profit as we speak, and hopefully it stays that way, because you guys know, do you guys want to take another trade, or you guys are good? I'm using low risk on my account, so are you guys good, or we should keep going? Yes, your money is a sell. Oh, you said you're using your phone, so you can't really see. Yeah, I think this is... Okay, looks like you guys are good. Trend line matches. They keep on going. Okay. Well, I got in on AUDJPY. You guys are really funny. So keep on going. I'll send the TPs to this to you guys. Hopefully we win this trade. Sell, Schumann. Okay, GBP USD is really dropping for us now, guys. We are gonna make some money after all. Damn! Look at, guys. Just freaking let's take a look here. What time did this happen? So this is NAS 100. Now, this was the previous high for NAS 100, and we had this low right over here and we had this low here too. So you wouldn't even, if you trade NAS 100, you wouldn't even have been able to. Maybe you could have, because you know this is NAS 100. This is like, you would have been, yeah, this is like 687 pips right here. Nice move. And it's about to break this support zone here again. Very interesting. What time did this start? Yeah, started trending at 8:30. Decided to drop. With a lot of stuff going on, I feel like indices, especially NAS 100 and US 30, especially with this new COVID-19 variant, I feel like the stock market is going to start crashing. Freaking NAS 100, US 30, XPX, gold, they're gonna start dropping. But gold is just like nasty right now. Just nasty. And the crazy thing about gold is, you might come back to your chart and look at your chart at like freaking in the next 30 minutes to 1 hour, and you just see that thing just freaking starts trending. Either break this previous high or break this low to the downside. You know? You're welcome, Schumann. Come on, let's go with the JPY. Shit, GBP USD should have definitely smashed TP1. Your TP1 should have been smashed. What? Oh, maybe I had okay, maybe I had my TP right over here. So look at this, guys. This is my other account. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see. If it's blurry. So I'm trading with you guys. Did you guys see that, or was it blurry? I don't know if you guys could see that or if it was blurry. That was my other smaller account. Yeah, I knew it. So if you've been watching this stream from the beginning, so I just gave you a very huge tip that you guys can use if you trade on your own. Remember what I said when I said most of the time the JPY pairs, they move together. In fact, I'm gonna do a video, and upload it on YouTube and let you guys know the pairs that move together like about 80% of the time. Look at Euro JPY dropping. USD JPY dropping, GBP JPY dropping, AUD JPY dropping, NZD JPY dropping. Look at it, CAD JPY dropping. EuroJPY dropping. GBP/JPY dropping. Let's see if it's gonna close below this support zone. Then, okay, I know you guys want me to keep going on, but this is gonna be the last one. I'm getting tired from sitting down. This closes in 2 minutes. This closes in 2 minutes, so we'll see what happens. So this is GBP/JPY, guys. This is GBP/JPY. It's finally dropping. Finally dropping. GBP/JPY smash for 20. GBP/USD smash for 20 pips. I like winning. I get excited whenever I win. It makes me proud. But one thing I don't do when I lose, I don't let it get to me, because I know I'm a freaking very good trader. Okay, let's see. Hope you guys got in on what do you call it? This is GBP/JPY, guys. GBP/JPY. Got in GBP/JPY for a sell. If you were following me while I was doing this, GBP/USD TP2 smashed. Let me see how many pips was this. 40 pips on GBP/USD TP2 smash. What did you figure out, Schumann, months ago? What did you figure out? I still don't get you, Schumann. I still don't understand what you're talking about. GBP JPY currently in profit. Good job, Schumann. So, yep, you figured it out. Yeah. But I'm gonna upload a video on this topic. I don't know when, but maybe next year. We'll see. I have to use the restroom, guys. So you all know I've been drinking coffee, then I've been drinking some tea here. So it's time for me to go use the restroom now. But I'll be back. Can you guys hear me now? Yeah, you guys should be able to hear me now. Oh, IMK14 says you can hear me. My mic was tripping earlier. Let me know if everyone can hear me. Okay, cool. My mic was tripping earlier. Oh. Dang, why did I have to go pee? Okay, IMK, NZD-JPY is a good opportunity for you to trade. But I have to look for a potential take profit target here. So just give me some. This is gonna be. Let's see. So this is just like 16 pips here, but I'm good for the day. So if you want to trade NZD-JPY, you can just look to the right hand side here. So the bold numbers, those are yours. The red is the stop loss and the blue is the take profit. So you can get in on NZD-JPY if you want to, and it's gonna be for a sell. It's just about 16 pip range right there. All right, cool. Next year, I'm gonna start doing this these live trades more often. So the more often I do it, then the more YouTube is gonna recommend my streams to viewers. Now I have to be honest with you guys, because I've noticed the more I do these live streams, the people we have on the Discord it's not even 1% of you guys that shows up to watch these live trades. Watching all these live trades, even though you're trying to make some money while somebody is trading live, you also learning in the process. But a lot of people, they just wanna freaking be lazy and just freaking depend on somebody else sending their analysis and sending them trades, sending them signals. That's all they want to depend on. And that's a wrong way to go. I mean, I don't really blame them. At the same time, I really, really blame them. I used to be like that until I was like, damn, I'm paying somebody else for this, signals. Sometimes the trade will go, our way. Sometimes it won't. We'll have bad weeks. We'll have good weeks. We'll have bad days, good days. Bad months, good months. But I keep paying for this service. But until I decided that, you know what? At least if I'm trading on my own and I'm having, these good days, good weeks, bad weeks, good months, bad months, at least I'm trading on my own. So I'll have nobody to blame but myself. And I must also tell you guys, being a Forex trader and having a signal service, that's pressure, because your goal, even though you're trying to make money yourself, but you're also trying to help other people to make money, because they look up to you, they're depending on you. So whenever we have bad days, man, that it really, really affects me. Not like for me personally. The only reason why it affects me is because, I know some of you guys, depend on me when it comes to, sending trades and actually winning those trades. And it affects me for a few hours. So whenever I see traders that actually offers, signal service, I respect them a lot, because that's pressure. It's a whole lot of pressure when you have people depending on you. That's why some traders, even on YouTube, they're gonna tell you they don't want nobody depending on them. That's why they don't offer signal service, because shit is pressure. That's why they would rather just focus on selling you courses. So that's all they do. They'll sell courses and they don't sell you no signal service. They just sell you courses because they don't want to deal with that pressure. So working on a course and putting it out there for beginners, that's easy. I can do that all day. That's easy. But having a signal service, man, that's pressure right there. Big time pressure. Big time pressure. Did you guys get in on NZDJPY? Who got in on NZDJPY? Who did? Damn, that's crazy. We only have 7 people watching. Okay. And whenever I do these live streams, can we engage more? Let's be engaged. Let's get more engaging. Like I said the other day on the Discord, you guys are making it boring. We need to make it fun. We need to make it, more engaging. Even though there's a signal service also, but you can still, make it, boring, help each other grow, help one another grow. If you're looking at a trade, let's say you're looking at, for example, Euro USD, and you feel like, it's going to be a buy, you can just put it on a Discord group and, ask for other people's, opinions. You never know. And when you do something like that, and whenever I see it, whenever I look on Discord and I see something like that, And if I can respond at that moment, I'll also chime in and say something and let you guys know what I think. Okay, NZD-JPY is about to hit this TP for 16 pips. Oh, you got in on NZD-JPY, Schumann? How many of you guys are excited about this $100 to $1 million that we're gonna start next year, January? How many of you guys are excited? Because I am. It's just gonna give me great joy to be able to help, some of you, because I know it's not going to be everybody in the group that's going to do this, but for the ones that do, even if it's just 10 people, I'm okay with that. The goal is to get to $1 million, but some people might say, oh, that's impossible. I mean, all it takes is to double it every week. We'll have losses and we're gonna have wins, and with good risk management, so we're definitely gonna be good. Because at the end of the day, like I always say, I don't believe in impossibilities, I believe in possibilities, and I believe in myself. I believe in God, I believe in myself, so we definitely can do it. At the end of 14 weeks, whatever we have, whatever we have on the account, then that's it. But the goal is to try to get to $1 million in 14 weeks by doubling our account size, the challenge account size, every week. Okay, well, it looks like IMK 14 left, or is it LMK? Let me see. Yeah, it looks like IMK 14 left. I actually did this NZD-JPY because of him and whoever else, for the new people that are watching as well. Terrence, are you still here, Terrence? I think Terrence left as well. GBP USD TP1 TP2 smashed, AD JPY TP1 TP2 smashed, GBP JPY TP1 TP2 smashed. So now we got TP3 AD JPY. Every stop loss is moved. GBP JPY TP3 smashed, GBP USD. No, GBP JPY, we're waiting on TP3. GBP USD, we're waiting on TP3. So the running trades right now, we're just waiting on TP3. And if it doesn't get to it, I'm good. Took partial profit. Everything is running. Everything is running, and I'm still floating about 15K. I hope you guys can see it. Let me move it a little bit if you guys can see it. don't know. I hope you guys saw it. So, remember what I told you guys earlier, excuse me, that it's possible for us to have a rejection here at this zone, and now that's what's going on. We have this rejection. That doesn't mean price, cannot break this support zone here to the left, but that's why you always have your tip is in between zones. You just don't anticipate that price is just gonna get to your take profit target just like that, because even though we're trading from zones to zones, you can always have multiple TPs in between zones. So which is what we did here. From here to this zone here, we had like 2 take profits. So that's why TP1 and TP2 was smashed. 20 pips here, 40 pips here. That was already 60 pips right there. No, this was about 35 pips, and then first TP was 20. So that's about 50 pips right there. The same thing with AEDJPY. So AEDJPY is like, I think 45 pips. Let me see. From here, yeah, 35 pips right there. Oh, cool. That's good, Schumann. Schumann, are you off today or something? Or you just watching this live stream from your phone? Are you off today or something? Oh, okay, that's cool. Oh, you're off too, Michelle? Okay, that's good. Oh, also, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, kindly follow me on Instagram. You can see my Instagram on the screen, or you can just click the link in the description, and you guys can follow me as well. Next year as well, I'm gonna be doing some videos, just motivating you guys. I'm gonna be doing some live videos on Instagram, just motivating you guys and showing you, a few pairs that I'm looking at for the week, what I'm kind of expecting. A lot of stuff are coming next year, guys. A lot of stuff. I'll keep you guys posted as well. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. Thank you guys for hopping on. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys will always get access to whenever I upload new videos and whenever I'm trading live just like this. A lot of stuff coming on next year, and if you're interested in taking the challenge with us next year January, join the Discord, and the link is down below in the description as well. Thank you guys for hopping on. God bless you all. I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, and I'm out. I have to go spend some time with my family. I'll see you guys next week for another trading week.